Hey guys, you won't be able to find this anywhere else. It's IAQ Pro's HEPA Bench, now available for order at Agile Equipment. Perfect for its fire damage and mold remediation jobs, this downdraft table is perfect for book and document remediation. With the use of negative air pressure through a perforated bench top, it sucks any loose soot particles or mold spores down to IAQ Pro's A650 HEPA air filtration device, ensuring that nothing gets out. It comes with its very own, easy-to-reach Nilfisk VP300 vacuum to ensure a thorough physical removal of surface-level soot or mold on documents and books. Let's have a closer look. IAQ Pro's HEPA Bench features a durable stainless steel frame with lockable caster wheels, making it easy to move and position. The VP300 fits neatly into its own secured nook, held firmly in place by stainless steel bars. Right next to it is the A650, which sits directly beneath the bench table, with its intake connected via ducting to a vent under the black acrylic bench top. Also, you'll notice that there are two platforms to place contents during cleaning, which is finished with chamfered edge suction holes. The bench measures at 154 centimeters by 60 centimeters and 105 centimeters in height and weighs approximately 50 kilograms. There are some additional features too. The HEPA bench has orange handles to the side, which can either be used to hold an RCD when in use, or if you prefer, it can be a spot to place your vacuum hose down. The bench comes with a custom longer hose, making it easy to vacuum contents, not to mention all the additional attachments that comes with the VP300, such as a brush nozzle, vacuum head, crevice nozzle, hole extension, and more. It includes a waterproof, tear, mildew, and UV resistant bench cover that tightly fits the bench with the use of a drawstring at each corner. This helps contain any contamination when not in use. And in case you're wondering, it's easy to disconnect the air scrubber if needed. Simply pull on the intake with moderate force. This can allow for easy replacement of pre-filters and H13 filters, which we also sell at Agile Equipment. We also sell the HEPA filtration replacements and dust bags for the VP300 as well. So how do you use it? It's easy enough. First, we always recommend that you wear the appropriate PPE, such as coveralls, a P2 mask, and eyewear. Turn on the A650 via the knob. We recommend a moderate level of intake. Then turn on the VP300 vacuum. Take a stack of books or documents and place them on the bench. This will help capture any loose particles or spores as you remediate. With the nozzle, start vacuuming every surface of the document or book. Once done, ensure that it is placed on a clean, non-contaminated place, whether that's a remediated bookshelf into a new box or a new container. In the case of fire damage restoration situations, we also recommend that you wipe down lightly the document with a dry chemical sponge. You may also consider using an active carbon filter to trap the odor offending particles. Again, you won't find this anywhere else except Agile Equipment. It is a special order item and takes some time to manufacture, so please keep that in mind. You can find the IAQ Pro HEPA Bench on our website, and if you have any questions, feel free to email us or give us a call. We're always happy to have a chat. Thanks.